everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log out of Genshin Impact account using your Android device. To log out of Genshin Impact, first of all open the Genshin Impact app on your device, and once you're inside this page, make sure to go ahead and look for the exit icon at the bottom right corner and tap on that. It'll ask you if you'd like to switch your account. Click on OK and you'll be redirected to the main login page, which means you have successfully logged out of Genshin Impact. You can now go ahead and sign in using a different account if needed. So that's how you easily log out of Genshin Impact in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.